Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard, the Stamps of Life, and I have a limited edition item and I have a new product for the Stamps of Life. Oh, I know. Let's do the limited edition first. Every once in a while, and back in the day when we did the the kit club, we would have extra kits left over. This is from December 2018. Now, don't think that this is Christmas because it's not. It is more of a Valentine-y theme. It's love. The best part about it is the colors. Now, this is limited edition. Once it's gone forever. If you've ever wanted to try one of our card kits, now's your chance. Grab it quick because once it's gone, like I said, it's gone. If you go to the website and you look for it and you can't find it, that means it's gone already. Look how fun. It also comes with, and hang on, oh, see that adore? Look, die that matches. Isn't that awesome? It's the same die. It's so much fun. Now, it comes with epoxy dots, and it comes with cute little puffy stickers, and ooh, beautiful hearts, and a stamp set, and a storage envelope, and ribbon, and twine, and oh my goodness, you have to go check it out. But again, once it's gone for good. Just a heads up, on kit clubs lately, because this is from 2018, kit clubs lately, we've been selling out. Literally, we don't even have enough for the whole month. That's how fast they're going now. So get one while you can because that one's really fun. So if you're missing that one out of your collection, get it quick. Now it's time for a new product. Are you ready? We have two new items. It's a brand new product for the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited about these because they match our inks and our cardstocks and our markers and everything. It's so fantastic. They are dimensional, we're calling them 3D ink pens. Now, where we got the word ink pen, I don't know, but it's dimensional color is what it is. And the really fun thing, this one comes with black, white, iridescent glitter, gold glitter, and gray. So this is like your basics. This is number one. Number two comes with candy, banana, kiwi, pool, and ocean. What am I talking about here? Let's open them and look. So I have two cards. And I have some pink. Oh, let's do no, I was going to do yellow on this one. So let's grab yellow. This is banana. And we're going to open this up. And we are literally going to decorate. We are going to add little dots in our little flowers, just like that. And it's going to stay poofy, puffy. It's like puffy ink, kind of. And I'm just going to add little dots. You're going to decorate. Now, this does take a while to dry. I recommend that once you do this, you put it off to the side and let it dry for about 24 hours. But now you can make your own epoxy dots. I'm literally just going to add a little dot. Oh, that one looks like it could use a little dot. I'm going to add a little big dot there. Look at that. Now, if I wanted to, I could add little dots to his little hat. Look, I'm just going to color it in. You can it doesn't have to be a dot. Don't think it has to be a dot. I'm going to literally color it in the shape of his hat dot. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that fun? So fun. Color that little guy in. And it's dimensional. That means it's going to be puffy. Okay, so that's yellow. Let's do one with the glitter. And I might have to do all of these colors just so you can see how awesome they are. So let's get this out. Here's a piece of cardstock. And I wish I had a better white. Let's see if I can grab a better white. Oh, here. We'll use my scratch paper. Okay, so here is yellow. Okay, and let's grab, we'll do number two first. Here's pink. So pretty. Woo! I love these. These are fun. You're gonna have fun with these. And it just adds, and it matches our color palette, which is really fun. Here's green. Woo! And it's taking me longer to cap and uncap them, huh? Here's light blue. Woo! I think that's sea glass. Are we calling that sea glass? Pool, sorry, pool. And here's ocean. Ooh, perfect for little sprinkles on cupcakes. Okay, now let's look at number one. This is number one. This is more like the neutrals, but it also comes with glitter. Everything is better with glitter. Okay, let's do the most boring one, black. But you know, sometimes you need black, right? So there's black. And then here's the iridescent glitter. No, what is this one? Sorry, that's not iridescent glitter. That is white, sorry. Oh, I didn't know I had white. Ooh, I want to do white. I was going to add white on this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add white to my little guys right here, just to kind of pop them up a little bit. I'm going to add white on here. I'm just going to decorate. Have fun with these. And it comes out really nice. So it's a nice tip. I like the tip. I'm decorating that flower. Again, you're going to let it dry for 24 hours. I'm going to decorate. I love these flowers. Look at that. So I'm just going to add a little bit there. You can do dots. You can do lines. You can fill in. We're actually using this in the glitter in one of our classes that we're teaching this year when we travel. So let's add one more on this one, finish this one off. But it's just going to add dimension. It's just going to add something different, something that's going to be a conversation starter, which is really fun. So we're going to let that dry. So we got the white on there, and then, let's do the glitter. This is the one we use in our class, the glitter. Now, I know you can't see it on camera, but actually I should probably kind of smear that a little. I'm hoping you can see the glitter. There is glitter in there, I assure you, okay? On camera, it's not gonna be as easy. Then the gold glitter. Now, we tested a couple different glitters, and let me tell you, these were the only two that I really liked so far that we tested for the glitters. So the gold glitter, when it dries, it's gonna be gorgeous. And the iridescent one is really pretty too, and here's the gray. So nice basics. So go check these out, play with these, have fun. I can't wait to hear what you think about these. Club members, of course you get the club discount on these products. I mean, right? How awesome is that? I'll see you again soon. Go check out thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.